Have you ever wondered what could happen if your cloud data or virtual machines were compromised? Imagine waking up to find critical applications or sensitive data exposed to cybercriminals. Scary, right? But the good news is, you can take control and secure your cloud environment before it's too late. Welcome to Blue Hat CyberSec Academy. Cloud computing allows businesses to host applications, data, and services on shared infrastructure. Virtualization lets multiple virtual machines, or VMs, run on a single physical server. Both of these technologies are highly efficient and cost-effective, but they also introduce new attack surfaces. When we talk about securing the cloud, it's not just about encrypting files. It's about protecting identities, access controls, networks, and compliance across your virtualized environments, making sure every component is safe from unauthorized access. Cloud and virtual machine risks, threats, and protection. To keep your cloud environment secure, start with strong identity and access management. Make sure each user only has the permissions they actually need by using role-based access control, and enforce multi-factor authentication on all accounts. Regularly auditing permissions and removing inactive accounts is key to keeping your environment safe. Encryption is also critical. Always encrypt data at rest, like files stored on cloud servers, with strong standards such as AES-256. For data in transit, make sure TLS or SSL is applied, so information is safe while moving across networks. And, don't forget to manage encryption keys securely, ideally with cloud-native key management tools. Security isn't a one-time thing, it's continuous. Conduct regular audits using cloud provider tools like AWS Inspector, Azure Security Center, or Google Cloud Security Command Center to detect misconfigurations or vulnerabilities. Staying compliant with standards like ISO 27001, SOC2, or GDPR also helps maintain a secure environment. Virtual machines are fantastic for efficiency, but they can also introduce risks. One common issue is VM sprawl, where unmonitored virtual machines create unmanaged endpoints that attackers could exploit. Then there are insecure VM images, which can come pre-configured with vulnerabilities if they're not regularly updated. Finally, poorly isolated VMs can allow inter-VM attacks, letting attackers move laterally across your virtual environment. To mitigate these risks, track all active VMs with automation tools, patch and update VM images regularly, and segment your network while applying firewall rules to prevent unauthorized movement. Cloud environments also face unique threats that you won't necessarily encounter in traditional on-premises setups. For example, misconfigured storage services like OpenS3 buckets or unprotected cloud databases can expose sensitive data. Account hijacking is another risk. If credentials are stolen, attackers could gain full access to your resources. And don't forget insecure APIs, which are vulnerable if not properly authenticated or validated. Finally, denial of service attacks can make cloud services unavailable at critical times. Preventing these threats requires careful attention. Regularly audit storage permissions, monitor logins for unusual activity, secure APIs with authentication and input validation, and implement rate limiting. Don't forget to leverage your cloud provider's DDoS protection tools to mitigate service disruptions. One of the great advantages of using cloud platforms is the security services they provide. AWS GuardDuty and Inspector can detect threats and assess vulnerabilities. Azure Security Center monitors misconfigurations and provides actionable recommendations. And Google Cloud Security Command Center gives centralized visibility across your cloud environment. These tools are powerful, but remember, they're most effective when combined with your own internal policies, monitoring, and best practices. Think of them as reinforcement rather than a replacement for proactive security measures. So, what does it really take to secure the cloud on a day-to-day basis? First, define a clear cloud security policy that outlines standards for access control, encryption, monitoring, and incident response. Second, implement continuous monitoring and logging so anomalies are detected immediately. Keep your virtual machines and applications updated with regular patching. Segment networks to isolate critical workloads, and maintain a tested incident response plan so you're ready if something goes wrong. For example, a fintech company using AWS encrypted all databases, applied role-based access controls, monitored logs via CloudTrail, and isolated payment processing VMs from public-facing applications. This strategy minimized breaches, ensured compliance, and allowed the company to scale securely. Now it's your turn. Take a look at your cloud environment and ask yourself, are all your virtual machines updated and properly isolated? Do you regularly audit cloud storage permissions? Are you consistently using encryption and multi-factor authentication? Drop your answers in the comments below and tell us which cloud security topics you want to see next. Let's make this a conversation. You're not just watching, you're learning to secure your own environment. Thanks for watching Blue Hat CyberSec Academy. If this video added value to your day, give it a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more practical networking and cybersecurity content. Drop a comment. We'd love to hear how you're applying these strategies in your own cloud environment. See you next time. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep building networks that actually work.